RetroCrush on Roku. RetroCrush is a free streaming service specializing in classic anime, offering a mix of series and movies from past decades. Roku users can easily access RetroCrush through two main methods. First, RetroCrush Standalone app. Availability. The RetroCrush app is available for download on Roku devices. Installation steps. Navigate to the Roku home screen. Select streaming channels to access the channel store. Search for RetroCrush and select it. Click Add Channel to install the app. Launch the app and start streaming. Features. The standalone app provides access to RetroCrush's full anime library, curated playlists, and watchlist features. 2. The Roku Channel integration. Availability. RetroCrush is also available through the Roku Channel, where select content can be streamed without installing a separate app. Access steps. Open the Roku Channel on your device. Navigate to the Browse section. Scroll to find the RetroCrush collection. Select and stream available anime directly. Features. This method is more convenient, but may offer a smaller selection than the standalone app. 3. Cost and subscription model. Free streaming. RetroCrush is completely free to use, supported by advertisements. Premium option. A premium subscription is available for users who want an ad-free experience and access to additional content. 4th, content library and updates. RetroCrush frequently updates its anime library, adding new series and movies. The service focuses on classic and retro anime, making it ideal for fans of older shows. 5. Device compatibility. The RetroCrush app works on all Roku streaming devices and Roku-enabled smart TVs. It is also available on smartphones, tablets, Apple TV, Fire TV, and web browsers. 6. Troubleshooting and support. If you have trouble installing or streaming, ensure your Roku software is updated. Restart your device or reinstall the app if issues persist. RetroCrush provides customer support for further assistance. Roku users can enjoy RetroCrush through either the standalone app or the Roku Channel, making it a great option for classic anime lovers. Whether you choose the ad-supported free version or the premium plan, RetroCrush delivers nostalgic anime content directly to your screen.